In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the bearish flag chart pattern in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze, whether it's stocks, forex, crypto, or anything else. It doesn't matter which symbol you're looking at. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen where you can see the price candles. On the right side of your chart, you'll see a panel with different options and tools. Look for the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups many of its analysis tools, including indicators and pattern recognition features. Go ahead and click on Technicals. If your chart looks a bit cluttered, you can zoom out slightly or hide any unnecessary panels first, just so you can clearly see what pops up when you open Technicals. Once you've clicked on Technicals, a menu or panel will expand with a variety of options. Here, you'll want to find the option called Patterns. This is specifically designed for automatically identifying chart patterns, which can save you a lot of time compared to drawing them manually. Click on Patterns, and TradingView will display a list of different pattern types that you can enable on your chart. In this list, look for the bearish flag chart pattern. The bearish flag is a continuation pattern that often appears after a strong downward move, followed by a brief consolidation that looks a bit like a small upward sloping channel or rectangle. When the price breaks down from that consolidation, the downtrend can continue. Enabling this pattern helps you quickly spot those setups without having to scan every chart by eye. Once you see bearish flag in the list, click on it. TradingView will then begin scanning your visible chart for any areas that match this pattern. If it finds them, you'll see the bearish flag highlighted directly on the chart, usually with lines or labels that make it easy to recognize. You can hover over or click these pattern highlights to see more details, such as where the flagpole is, where the consolidation forms, and where the potential breakout might occur. From here, you can zoom in or out, switch timeframes, and see how often bearish flags have appeared historically on your chosen asset. This can help you build familiarity with the pattern and integrate it into your trading plan. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to these advanced pattern tools, check out the link in the video description to sign up and unlock the features I've just walked you through.